Hey everybody,
Hi,
welcome to Misty's Kitchen. I'm Misty.
I'm Charlotte.
And what are we making today, Booga?
Beef stroganoff?
And what are we going to serve it with?
I don't know.
We're going to serve it with egg noodles and a tossed salad. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, is there anything else you would like to say?
No.
All right, y'all, well, we're going to start prepping and getting the ingredients together, and we will be back. Stay tuned. All right, you all. So again, we are making beef stroganoff. And your ingredients you're going to need is 1 can of golden mushroom soup, condensed, 1 small onion that's going to be diced, ground black pepper to taste, salt to taste. Y'all remember I always use Himalaya salt. A tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a tablespoon of Kinder's The Blend, which is just salt, pepper, and garlic. And then you're going to be using 1 packet of Lipton Recipe Secrets. This is the onion soup mix. And you're going to have 1.5 pounds of your stew meat. What I did, I left out 2 main ingredients. You're going to need a tablespoon of minced garlic. And it's beef stroganoff. What would beef stroganoff be without sliced mushrooms? All right, let's get started. All right, y'all, we're going to get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is heat up our pan to medium. And as always, hit it with some Pam. I think I'm going to start using my avocado oil. Okay. And let's let that get warmed up. Okay. We are going to add our tablespoon of minced garlic. I have some more minced garlic in there somewhere. I need to find it. I did a little more than a tablespoon. Okay, to our garlic that is sauteing right here, we're going to add our small diced onion. And to our garlic and onion, we are going to add a dash of olive oil. Okay, y'all. Now to this bowl right here, we're going to add some cornstarch. And to this little dish right here, we are going to add some buttermilk. And what we are going to do is we're going to dip our meat in the buttermilk, then in the cornstarch. And then we're going to put it in with our onion and our garlic. So I'm just going to take these pieces here. Just drop them right on in here. And you want to get those nice and coated. I'm going to go ahead and dip this into the cornstarch. And then just drop right on in here into the pan. And I'm going to add a little more oil to the pan. Now we're not cooking the meat all the way. We are just The thought is escaping me. The word that I was just thinking about. We're just browning it. And I have one more that I'm going to have to do the same way. Okay, y'all, we are going to brown this on all sides. We're going to just stir it. All right, so we got our meat browned on both sides. We're just leaving it in our dish right there, reserving it. Now we're going to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in here and saute our mushrooms. Now, y'all know I love the Kerrygold. So we're taking 3 tablespoons. We're going to let this melt. And I'm going to stir up my mushrooms right on in here. I might need a little more butter. I think I am going to need a little more butter. I'm going to do 1 more tablespoon. Now I'm going to hit these with a little dash of Worcestershire. All right, y'all. What we're going to do now is we're going to take our meat that we just browned and we're going to drop it right on in our crock pot. Break that up a little bit in there. And you definitely don't want to skip this step. It's one of the most crucial steps, braising your meat first. And then our mushrooms, we're just going to go ahead and pour right on top. Okay. Now, I forgot to tell you guys that you need beef broth. So we're going to do 2 cups of beef broth. Next, we're going to do 1 cup of Coke Zero. And we're going to add in our can of golden mushroom soup. I'm going to give this a quick stir to stir everything together, combine. Now we're going to do our packet of Lipton Recipe Secrets Onion Soup Mix. And we are going to do a couple dashes of Worcestershire. Let's give this one last stir. Now we're going to put our 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. And we're going to do our 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And we're going to do our 2 tablespoons of Kinder's The Blend. All right, y'all. It is time to hit our vent. And there it goes, shooting up in the air. And we just want to let all that steam escape. You don't want to open it or do... Okay. So I think I'm going to add a little more salt because I tasted that and it's not got enough. All right, and I'm going to grind up some pepper into these. And we are going to do some minced garlic. That's about a teaspoon. And we are going to add the sour cream. So I'm just going to use this big spoon right here. And I'm going to pretty much put the rest of this sour cream in here. There's still a little bit left, so I don't want to throw it away. And we are going to add some buttermilk ranch dressing. So I would say 2 tablespoons. Now I am going to do a taste test for you guys of these. Let's give this a stir.